Hello everyone. We are super excited to introduce you our new smart offer system for balancing. As a game developer, you probably already understand the value of game events and personalized offers. According to our mentors and the clients, all main KPIs, starting from revenue, increase 2-3 times when you implement those features in your game. So there are no questions if you need them or not. You do. When you start working on your game, the first project you will land on will look exactly like this one I have here. The first system you need to understand is game events. Game events, this is something very common, which you see in any of other games, like Halloween events, St. Valentine's Day or New Year's Eve, stuff like this. In my example, I have created two events. The first one is weekend event, which happens during weekend on Sunday and Saturday only. And the second event runs as soon as the player starts the game because it does not have any conditions. So how can you use those events? First of all, you can subscribe in the code and receive events when the game event starts and when it ends. You can also request how much time left for the event and display the timer in your game. Another way is to use it in the condition. For instance, in my example app, we have a store where we sell different packs of gems. First 3 packs are available at once because they have no conditions. And the last 2 are available only during the weekend. And you can see in the condition that to see this pack of gems, you need to be in the weekend event. Whenever game event starts, it executes the script associated with it. Let me tell you more about the scripts. I have prepared 3 different scripts for you as examples for you to study and learn how it works. The first script just shows the offer, and then depending on if a player purchased it or not, it will execute different logic. The second script is discount. Discount here is calculated based on the segmentation of the player. So the more player have already spent in your game, the less discount he gets. This script was created as an example to tell you how segmentation works, and also it should help you to convert your users to paying customers. And the main script is starter pack script. Let me open it from here. If you tried before blueprints from Unreal or visual scripting from Unity, you will be very familiar with this system. Let me describe you what's going on here. At first, when the script starts, A/B test starts. This A/B test divides all players into 2 groups, and the first group will get the offer at level 10, and the second group will get offer at level 5. This level is stored in the variable, which you can see on the right side. I change the variable using those nodes, and after that I subscribe for the event when my actual level of my player in the game changes to this value, either 10 or 5, depending on my A/B test group. When it happens, I calculate the discount from the script I showed you before. For example, I calculated 30%. And now I'm showing the offer, this one, starter pack offer, with discount 30%. Player have some certain amount of time to purchase it. If they purchase it, there will be a log in the console saying yes. If time runs out, there will be a log saying no. That's basically it. Now let's take a look at the game offers. Here you can add as many offers as you would want. Each offer has many parameters like sprite, which is associated with it, the name, the duration in seconds, and store item. This is like what exactly we are selling here. Like it can be gems, it can be some sort of weapon, stuff like this. And another feature we provide is the view. It's up to you to use it or not, but let's take a look. This is an example window how your offer would look like. All those images were uploaded using our system and will be delivered to the game at runtime. It means that you can change this window, you can move around all images, change text, stuff like this, completely remotely. Take a look at this image placeholder. You can use a specific image here, but you can also use some sort of the parameters of the game offer. For example, here I'm using the link to the sprite, which I showed you before in the table. Here in the text, I'm using the name of the offer, and here I'm using the description of the offer. So it means that you don't have to prepare this window for each specific offer. You can just make one prefab and then reuse it for any of the future offers you have. And it will automatically replace image, text, everything for your specific offer. It doesn't have to be the full window you're using. It can be just a small canvas which displays some sort of information. For example, here beside of the starter pack window, we also provide store slot canvas, which looks super simple. And this specific slot I'm going to use to show you this store. Let's dive into Unity. Okay, launching the app. Okay, we launched the app. You can find in the log that I am in the group A, so I have to reach level 10 to get the special offer. But before we do that, let's just open the store I have created. You see exactly the same view which I showed you before in Balancing, and all images and text were replaced. Also, if today is Monday, but if it was Sunday or Saturday, the weekend event would start and I would see 6 offers instead of 4. Now let's increase level 10 to 10. And you can see that automatically window appears. You don't have to use our windows if you don't like them. For example, you can just subscribe for the events that an offer or a game even started or ended, and then display all this information with your own prefabs. Just to be clear, everything what you change here, starting from windows, items, offers, events, and even script logic, will be delivered at runtime to your game. It means that you can just open any script, change the behavior, change A/B testing, segmentation, add some new logic, and all your clients will automatically receive the update. You don't have to disturb your programmers from their work, and you can run any live operations using Balancing. In the second episode, I will explain you what programmers should do to make it work.